We're going to solve by elimination. The rules for elimination say to arrange the equation in the standard form. That's where the x is first, the y is second. It's also the one that you can use the calculator for. Decide which variable to eliminate using the procedure in elimination or substitution, and add to eliminate. Substitute the value into the easiest equation. Should you use elimination or substitution? If one equation is already solved for a variable, use substitution. If they are in the standard form, use elimination. If the variables have matching coefficients but opposite signs, use elimination. If a variable has multiples of a coefficient in the other equation, use elimination. And always eliminate the variable which has the easiest lowest common multiple. Let's look at this equation right here, and let's solve it using elimination. Just a second, I don't like that thing being in there. Let's try it again. Here we go. Solve this using elimination. So we've got negative 4x minus 7y equals 43. Negative 9x plus 4y equals negative 2. You can either eliminate these coefficients or these coefficients. 4 times 9 or 4 times 7, which one's easier? You know what? They're both about the same to me. So I'm going to eliminate them by multiplying the first equation by positive 9. That'll match that coefficient there. And the second equation by negative 4. The reason for that is that these two now have same signs, so we need to have them have opposite signs. So now we have to multiply the 9 by each one of these and the negative 4 by each one of these. And so our new equation will be 9 times negative 4 is negative 36x. 9 times negative 7 is negative 63y. 9 times 43 is 387. I think that's right. Yeah, it's close. Maybe 397, huh? 36 and 27. Yeah, that's right. Okay, the second equation will be positive 36x, negative 16y, and positive 8. Now we're going to eliminate them by adding the two equations together, and the x's are eliminated, and so we get negative 79y equals 395. Divide both sides by negative 79. 395. Oops. We have to get to the right mode computer, because I was using it to calculate equations before. 395 over negative 79. If it does not come out correctly, then we must have made a mistake. So y is negative 5. Now that we know that, we can substitute that into either equation. I'm going to substitute it into the first equation, negative 5, and I get negative 4x minus 7 times negative 5 equals 43. Negative 4x plus 35 is 43. Subtract 35 from each side, and I get negative 4x is negative 8. Divide both sides by negative 4. X is 2. So my solution is, this is positive 8. Divided by negative 4 is negative 2. So my solution is negative 2 and negative 5. I'm going to solve it using the calculator. Mode 5, 1. And it'll be negative 4 is my first coefficient, negative 7 is my second coefficient, and 43 is my answer in the first equation. Negative 9 is my first coefficient, 4 is my second coefficient, and negative 2 is my answer on my second equation. So x is negative 2, y is negative 5. This is 2.4.E on solving systems by elimination.